Hi, everyone. Welcome to Ecolingua Podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Bella. Today, we talk about one of the biggest challenges for many learners: how to start a conversation in English when you feel shy.
It's normal to feel nervous. You may worry about making mistakes or sounding silly, but small steps can lead to big confidence.
In this episode, we share simple mindset hacks, 5 foolproof openers, tips to keep any chat flowing, and tricks to handle awkward pauses.
We'll practice together. I'll speak first, then Bella will repeat.
By the end, you'll have clear tools to say hello in English and keep the conversation going, even if your heart is racing.
Ready to get started?
Let's go.
Why shyness is normal. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you're in a room full of English speakers. You know a few words, but when someone looks at you, your mind goes blank.
That feeling, your heartbeat speeding up, your palms sweating, that happens to almost everyone. Even native speakers get stage fright.
Our first mindset hack is this. Shyness is not a flaw. It is a sign you care. You want to speak well. That caring pushes you to learn.
Treat your shyness like a friend, not an enemy. It shows you have high standards. You want to get it right. Let's reframe that energy into excitement.
Second hack. See mistakes as stepping stones, not roadblocks. Every time you try, you learn a little more.
I remember my first English chat at a cafe. I meant to say, "I'd like a glass of water," but I said, "I'd like a class of water." The waiter smiled and repeated, "You want a glass of water?" I laughed, they laughed, and I learned.
That small slip did not end the world. It gave you a memory you won't forget. And next time, you say it right.
So when you slip, smile. Say, "Sorry, then say the phrase again. That shows you care, and people will help you.
Let's do a tiny exercise. Repeat after me. It's okay if I stumble. I am learning.
It's okay if I stumble. I am learning.
Good. That's you owning your mistakes as part of the process.
Hack 3. Talk to yourself like a coach, not a critic. Many shy learners tell themselves, "I'm so bad at English."
Instead, say, I'm improving every day. Positive words prime your brain for action.
Before any conversation, look in the mirror and whisper, "You can do this. You know more than you think."
Let's try that together.
You can do this. You know more than you think.
You can do this. You know more than you think.
Good. That's you owning your mistakes as part of the process.
Fourth hack. Use simple visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a friendly face. Picture yourself saying, "Hi, how are you?" You see them smile.
That mental rehearsal makes the actual moment easier. Your brain says, "Hey, we've done this before."
Try it now. Close your eyes for 5 seconds. See yourself greet someone in English. Hear your own voice. See their smile.
Done? Great. That small rehearsal sends confidence into your body.
Quick story. In my first English class, I was so shy I avoided eye contact. I rehearsed my greeting in my mind for weeks. When I finally said, "Hello, I am Alex," I felt a surge of pride.
And that proud moment made you want to speak more. Each small victory builds momentum.
Exactly. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Create small moments, one greeting at a time.
Let's recap. Shyness shows you care. Welcome it. Treat mistakes as learning steps. Use positive self-talk. Visualize success.
Practice these hacks daily.
Why openers matter.
Openers are short phrases you use to break the ice.
A good opener is clear, simple, and easy to remember. It gives you two things, a way in and a place to go next.
We give you 5 openers. Practice each. Pick one you like the most, then use it in real life.
Opener 1. Hi, how are you?
This is the most basic greeting in English. You say hi and ask, how are you?
Example.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks for asking.
Notice how simple that is. Just 3 short sentences.
I will say the opener, then Bella repeats. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Opener 2. I'm name. What's your name?
This opener adds a personal touch. You introduce yourself and ask their name.
Example. I'm Alex. What's your name?
I'm Bella. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Bella.
Short, clear, and people love to share their name.
Opener 3. Where are you from?
This is perfect if you suspect they are not local. It shows interest in their background.
Example.
Where are you from?
I'm from USA. How about you?
I'm from Brazil.
Brazil. Wow, that's amazing.
Opener 4. What do you do?
This means work or study. It's a common question among adults.
Example.
So, what do you do?
I'm a student. I study computer science. And you?
I'm a teacher.
A teacher. Great.
Opener 5. Have you tried the... Use this when you share a context, a conference, a party, or a cafe. It shows you notice something specific.
Example at a party. Have you tried the chocolate cake?
Not yet. How is it?
It's delicious. You should try a slice.
I will, thanks.
Notice each opener ends with a question. Questions invite answers and keep the chat going.
Pick 1 or 2 openers you like best. Practice them until they feel natural. Then, next time you meet someone, take a deep breath, smile, and use it.
The power of follow-up questions.
I said, hi, how are you? Now you need to follow up. Follow-up questions show you listen.
A closed question has a yes/no answer. An open question needs more detail. Use open questions to expand the chat.
Example of closed. Did you like that movie?
Yes.
End of chat.
Instead, make it open. What did you like about that movie?
I liked the music and the main character.
Now you can ask more. What was your favorite scene?
That simple shift turns a one-word answer into a real talk.
Here are 4 safe topics for beginners: weather, food and drink, hobbies and free time, local places.
Let's model each with an opener and follow-up.
Topic 1. Weather.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm.
Do you prefer sunny days or rainy days?
I like sunny days because I go for walks.
Where do you like to walk?
Topic 2. Food and drink.
That coffee smells great. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
How do you take your coffee? Black or with milk?
With milk, please.
Me too.
Topic 3. Hobbies.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books.
What book are you reading now?
I'm reading a mystery novel.
Nice.
Topic 4.
Local places.
Have you visited the new park in town?
Not yet.
You should go. It has a lake and benches to sit.
Sounds nice. When did it open?
Smooth transitions.
To move from one topic to another, use these bridge phrases. By the way, that reminds me. Speaking of,
Example.
that reminds me, I love talking about books. Do you have any book recommendations?
Yes, I just finished a short story collection.
Great. What's the title?
It's called Morning Light.
Role play from opener to topic shift.
Let's do a full short role play. I'll open, you follow.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it's very sunny.
Do you prefer sunny days or rainy days?
I like sunny days.
That reminds me, I love going to the beach on sunny days. Have you been to the new beach park?
Not yet. Is it far?
It's 10 minutes by bus. The view is amazing.
I'll try it this weekend.
Perfect. Let me know how you like it.
Will do. Thanks, Al.
See? We moved from greeting to weather to a new topic in 6 short steps.
Practice this at home by swapping roles. The more you do it, the easier it becomes.
To keep a chat going, use open questions, choose safe topics, use bridge phrases to shift, role play, and practice.
Why pauses happen?
Pauses are normal. Sometimes you think, what do I say next? Your mind goes blank.
The silence can feel loud, but you can fill it with simple phrases without panicking.
Here are 3 easy fillers. You know what I mean? That reminds me. By the way,
Each buys you a few seconds to think while keeping the chat alive.
using short compliments.
Another way to fill a pause is a simple compliment. People love compliments.
Examples. I like your shirt. That's a great idea. You have a nice smile.
Practice them daily. Use them in real life, at home, online, or with friends.
That was our full guide to starting and keeping an English conversation going, even if you're shy.
We covered mindset, 5 openers, tips to keep the flow, and tricks to handle pauses.
Which tip was your favorite? Send us a comment.
Practice with a friend or even talk to yourself in the mirror. The more you try, the easier it gets.
Thanks for listening to Echo Lingua Podcast.